Hi lovelies, I hope everyone's having a lovely day today, because today I'm having a great day, great morning, okay? Woke up feeling fresh, okay? Woke up and my skin was great, like I'm having a great skin day. This is a very good skin day for me. So I'm so happy and grateful for today. But anywho, so today I'm going to go more in depth about my weight loss journey, because I do get quite a few questions from people. I have done a couple of videos, but I'm going to be answering some different questions in this video, speaking about different things, and hopefully this will be helpful today. But yeah, I'm going to jump straight into it. So the reason why I started my journey, my weight loss journey, was because I got to a point, this was last year, so anything I say, I'm speaking about last year when I started my weight loss journey, which was in January. The reason why was because I just was not feeling myself. I wasn't feeling confident. I wasn't happy with myself. I wasn't feeling healthy. I wanted to feel confident and I wanted to feel healthy, and I just wanted to feel good, you know? And I had very unhealthy eating habits as well. So I just wanted to have a better mindset really about me and my body and work on it, because before this I'd never worked on my body. If I did lose weight, it was because of stress, and that was it really. So it was just something fresh and new for me to start. So when I weighed myself last year in January, I was 12 stone 10 pounds, which I did not think I was. I knew that I'd put on some weight, but I just didn't think I'd put on that much, because I never jumped on any scales. Like, I never weighed myself. So yeah, I was 12 stone 10 pounds, and now I am 11 stone 3 pounds, I think. I weighed myself at the beginning of January just to kind of see where I was. So I have lost over a stone, but it didn't take me a whole year to lose a stone. For a while I was stuck on a weight, like I wasn't really moving anywhere, and I was kind of just chilling. I did lose a stone like in the beginning of the year, last year. Hiya, yeah, it's me. So what I was meant to say was that I lost a stone around July time. That's when I lost a stone. I don't know why I said at the beginning of the year. That makes no sense, but yeah, apologies. But yeah, back to the video. But then I kind of was just chilling, living life. It was like summer and stuff, and I was just chilling, living life. And I wasn't taking it so seriously. I was just living it up, living my life, waking up and living. That's what I was doing. But also I do want to say, when you are going on a weight loss journey, a more healthier journey, don't always jump on the scales and always look at your weight. The reason why I did that was because I obviously wanted to track my progress and stuff like that. I only weighed myself every beginning of the month just to see where I was at. I wasn't jumping on the scale every week, at the end of every week. Like, no, don't do that, because it's not healthy and it can discourage you sometimes. Certain foods that I ate were chicken and fish. Like, they were a lot of the foods I was eating for the first 5 months. I ate a lot of salmon, a lot of chicken. Yeah, that was mainly it. Hello, hi, yes, it is me again. Of course, I had chicken and fish, like I've said about 3-4 times now. But also, I had sweet potatoes and broccoli and cauliflower and, you know, your veggies and your good carbs and stuff like that. Just thought I'd add that in there. I have mentioned this in a previous video where I went more in depth about my actual meals, so make sure you check that out. That is on my channel. I will link it somewhere in the video as well. But yes, just thought I'd add it in there for you guys. Okay, back to the video. Also, I want to add in there, the first month I started, I lost 5 pounds, and that was just by eating a bit more cleaner, like just watching what I eat. I didn't do no gymming. I don't even think gyms was open then because of lockdown and stuff anyway. But yeah, I didn't gym. I just ate good and better. I didn't want to put too much pressure on myself because I'd never done this before, and I didn't want to like kind of scare myself out of doing it, you know. So all I did was eat really clean for a couple of months, and I started going on little jogs and stuff like that, doing a lot of cardio, skipping. Yeah, I was just doing mainly cardio stuff. But yeah, I did a lot of meal preps, and the meal preps helped me because they was there ready for me to eat. I found that because I didn't have a lot of time sometimes to cook for myself, I would just order food. because it would just come to my door very quick. Uber Eats is quick, it comes to your door. It's quick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just get tempted to do Uber Eats. But when I had my prep meals, it was already in the fridge. All I needed to do was warm up the food, and it was there and done. So yeah, definitely I would recommend prep meals. Also, I did intermittent fasting, which really helped me because I was like a nighttime snacker. I would snack at nighttime. That was like the time for me, like, oh gosh, yeah, that was the time for me, like snacks at night when you're watching films and stuff. Yeah, that was me. So fasting helped me a lot. So my eating window where I could eat was at 12 lunchtime to 9 p.m. That was my eating window. And then after 9 p.m. I wouldn't eat anything, just water until the next day, 12 lunchtime. I could eat again until 9 p.m. if that makes sense. That was my fasting time, and I did that for a very, very long time. And I still do it now actually, but sometimes I stick to it, sometimes I don't. I am more lenient on myself now. Like last year I was a lot more, right, we gotta do this, you know. Now I eat from 1 until 9 p.m. and then after that I don't eat anything until the next day, and then until 1 p.m. I can eat again. That's my fasting time right now. But like I was saying, fasting really helped me because I was saying my time, listen, night time around 10, 11 was my snack time, and that was me, okay? Another thing that helped me through my journey was setting goals and rewarding myself. So if I hit a goal or if I did good that week, I'd reward myself, you know. I still have treats now and again. I would normally have like a little treat on a weekend or something and just reward myself, because I feel like I just feel like sometimes we're a bit too hard on ourselves. And we gotta just have a little reward sometimes, you know, just show yourself some love for achieving something. And that definitely helped me through because I was looking forward to something at the end of the week, or I was looking forward to something in like 2 weeks' time, you know. Just praise yourself. You know, just giving yourself a little praise and a little pat on the back helps a lot. You don't always need praises from other people. You can do it to yourself. It still feels the same. Give yourself a little, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that helped me because going on like a weight loss journey or going on a more healthy eating journey, it can scare you because you think, oh, I can't do this and I can't do that and I can't have this, and you kind of do think in that way. And I thought that, and that's what's put me off for a very long time. But treats. I'd say treats all the way. I would say I do have personal goals now. Like last year, I would say my weight loss journey was to lose a lot of the weight that I had gained, which I did, and I'm very, very proud of myself because sometimes you do doubt yourself just a little bit, but I'm so happy I got through it. And I was able to discipline myself, like, and say no to stuff, okay? Because sometimes I can't say no to myself, and it was okay, but I did it. And yeah, I do feel more confident now and I lost the weight that I wanted to lose. But just by me losing weight doesn't mean like I'm so confident now and like I'm so here for everything. And you know, it doesn't mean that. I feel like confidence and stuff like that always needs to be worked on. Like you always need to work on yourself to feel your best self and stuff like that. Appearance and doing stuff to your appearance does not always help with your confidence. Sometimes it's just within. And obviously I still have to work within myself, you know. But of course, I feel a lot more, so much more confident than I did at the beginning of last year. Like, definitely. I still have personal goals, like I was saying. And some of those personal goals are, for this year, is going to the gym. Okay? Or like, yeah, at some point this year I'm going to start the gym. I don't know when that's going to be right now because I've got some other stuff that I've got to deal with. But at some point this year I want to start the gym. And also I want to start like toning up and doing weights and stuff. I don't know. I've never done this before, so it's all fresh and new for me. Yeah, I want to just tone up because I've lost weight. So now I want to like tone up my tummy and tone up my bum and, you know, do all this stuff and go on this different journey now, you know, because I'm done with losing the weight. I don't really want to lose any more weight. So yeah, definitely want to start the gym. Or if I don't start the gym yet, then I want to start toning up and toning parts of my body up and see where that goes, because that is fresh and new. Never done it before, so we'll see how that goes and I will keep you updated on that. But now, where am I at? Right now, I don't meal prep anymore. Fun fact, I don't do meal preps anymore. The reason why I don't do meal preps anymore is because I feel like I am where I want to be. I just feel like I don't want to do them anymore, I guess. I have my own boundaries now. Like, at the beginning of last year, I didn't have any boundaries for myself. I had unhealthy eating habits. Like, I'd eat if I was anxious that day, or I'd eat if I was stressed. I could overeat and I'd do this and I'd do that. But now it's like, if I get stressed, I don't do that. I don't know, I just don't do it anymore. Or if I'm anxious, I don't overeat and I don't comfort eat. So I just have these boundaries now. And I'm more lenient on myself, but I just don't overeat. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I don't do meal prep. Kind of watch what I eat still, but I'm way more lenient on myself just because I've got to the goal that I wanted to get to. And I'm just a lot more happy and more confident. But what I want to say is, just because you want to lose weight does not mean that you don't love yourself. Because I feel like sometimes people push the agenda of, you should just love yourself anyway, you should just love the way you are, and that's that. You know what I mean? And you shouldn't change yourself. But if you, okay, I'm saying you like that because it's yourself. If you want to change yourself for the better, okay, because it will make you feel better, then you do that for you, okay? Because it's yourself, you've got to live with yourself. Because I was in this mindset of, I just need to just love myself and I don't need to change myself, but I wasn't being healthy anyway. Like, there were certain habits I was getting and having, and there were certain things that I was doing that just wasn't healthy, and certain things I was putting in my body that wasn't healthy anyway. So I'm so happy that I started my weight loss journey, and I'm so happy where I am at now. And I just want to say that because I just feel like some people kind of push this, don't change yourself and don't do this and don't do that. You should just love yourself anyway. And I do get that, but sometimes you can change yourself for the better. And sometimes people want to change themselves for the better. And we shouldn't be judging people if that's what they want to do with themselves, you know? Just had to put that out there because some people are too in it sometimes. But yeah, I think I'm going to do another video on like gym clothing, comfortable gym clothing. So I'm going to do like a little gym haul at some point. Yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you and motivated you in a way as well, because I remember when I had no motivation to start my healthy journey. I don't know what gave me the motivation. I think I just kind of just said to myself, enough is enough. Like, enough is enough, let's go. Did it. So if you have any other questions, then let me know in the comment section down below, or message me on Instagram and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But anyways, I hope that you have a lovely day today, full of positive vibes, good energy, all of that good stuff, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you.